Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Webcam on Windows and how to configure this for your NVIDIA GPU. Webcam is still trending on GitHub with over 71,000 stars, and the software has been forked over 10,000 times. Webcam allows you to deepfake your webcam feed. In this example, you can see Elon's face being injected into this live webcam feed. The software also allows you to get very creative with any video file. Remember this iconic scene?
Colonel Jessup, did you order the code red?
You don't have to answer that question.
I'll answer the question. You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth! Son, we live in a world that has walls, and those walls have to be guarded by men with guns. Who's gonna do it? You? You, Lieutenant Weinberg?
Have you ever wondered what Will Ferrell would look like in this role? Check this out.
Colonel Jessup, did you order the code red?
You don't have to answer that question.
I'll answer the question. You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth! Son, we live in a world that has walls, and those walls have to be guarded by men with guns. Who's gonna do it? You? You, Lieutenant Weinberg?
Let's install Webcam on Windows. We'll use Anaconda to neatly ring-fence the installation. We will then configure it for both your CPU or NVIDIA GPU. We need the C++ dev tools to build Webcam. Download Visual Studio Community Edition. When the download completes, continue and run the installer. When the install options open, select Desktop Development with C++, then go ahead and start the installation. This will take a while to complete. Allow it to run through, and at the end, Visual Studio will open. Make sure everything works, and you can continue and close down Visual Studio and the installer. With Visual Studio installed on the PC, we can now go ahead and install Anaconda. Visit the Anaconda website and download a copy of the installer. You can run the Anaconda installer. Install Anaconda on the machine. Accept all the installation defaults. Give this some time to complete. The Anaconda installation will also take a while. With Anaconda and Visual Studio successfully installed on the machine, you also require a copy of FFmpeg working before we can continue and build Webcam. To ensure your FFmpeg is correctly configured and installed, have a look at this video on the channel. Follow the steps to quickly set up FFmpeg on your local machine. Now that you have FFmpeg correctly installed, let's build Webcam. Click here on the Windows search bar. Type Anaconda prompt and open an Anaconda prompt. Let's first make sure FFmpeg is working. In your Anaconda prompt, execute FFmpeg, and you should see the following being returned. You can now create a project folder for Webcam. Type cd /. This will navigate you back to the root of this hard drive. Execute the command make dir space DLC. This will create a new folder called DLC. Next, execute cd space DLC, and this will navigate you into this newly created folder. We can now create a new Anaconda environment for Webcam. Execute conda space create space -n space DLC space Python equals 3.10.0. This will create a new conda environment for us, and it will install the correct Python version. Make sure you activate this newly created environment. Execute conda space activate space DLC. Make sure the environment activated. We need Git to clone Webcam. Let's install it. Execute conda space install space git. Make sure Git installs correctly. With Git installed, we can clone the repo. Execute git space clone space https:// github.com/hackscider/deep-live-cam.git. Git will clone a copy of the software. When it completes, make sure you enter this new folder Git created. Execute cd space deep-live-cam. Enter this newly created folder. We can now install the deep-live-cam requirements file. This will download and install all the required software. Execute pip space install space -r space requirements.txt. The installation will take a while to complete. When it wraps up, check the screen. You want to see something similar to mine. You want to see no errors. Now, in a perfect world, that should have been all that's required to get deep-live-cam up and running on your CPU. You would next download the models and start the software. However, I have found some issues with version 2.0 and 2.1 of deep-live-cam. If you would launch the software now, you would run into issues like missing modules, and you would also have issues with the default models that you download from the website, including the face enhancer module not working. I will next show you how to preemptively rectify this. The first issue we'll experience if we launch the software is it will complain that PyGrabber is missing. Let's install this into the environment. Execute pip space install space PyGrabber. I also ran into an issue using the default models. If you download the default models as shown here on the website, you run into a problem where on the CPU and on the GPU, the face is not correctly replaced. I'll next show you how to quickly rectify this. Visit this models download page. Download these two model files. Copy the two models you downloaded. Navigate into your deep-live-cam project folder. Place the models in this models folder. Now rename this file to inswapper_128_fp16.onnx because that's what the software expects to see when it loads. Now that we've implemented the workaround to fix the face flickering with the models, I'll next demonstrate how to set up deep-live-cam for your NVIDIA GPU. If you are a CPU user, or if you want to see how I fix face enhancer only, you can skip ahead to that portion of the video. Let's set up deep-live-cam for your NVIDIA card. Deep-live-cam requires the CUDA deep neural network. It also requires a version of CUDA toolkit to be installed on the machine. And we need to make sure that both the CUDA deep neural network and the version of CUDA toolkit is compatible with the version of ONNX we're installing. I've tested the following with ONNX 121 and 122. To set up deep-live-cam to work with the latest ONNX, we first need to uninstall the ONNX that shipped with deep-live-cam. Execute pip space uninstall space ONNX runtime space ONNX runtime -GPU. Now let's install the latest version of ONNX GPU. Execute pip space install space ONNX runtime -GPU, and this will install version 1.22. We can now load the CUDA toolkit and the CUDA deep neural network into this environment. Execute the command shown here on the screen. This will install CUDA 12.8 and the CUDA deep neural network version 9.8. Make sure this installs correctly. I found on version 2.0 and 2.1, should you launch the software now and switch on face enhancer, it will tell you that the module is not found. Let's quickly fix this next. Future users on later builds of deep-live-cam might want to launch the software and see if this issue still exists. If you run into the Face Enhancer module missing issue, here's the fix. Make sure Basic SR is not installed. Execute pip space uninstall space basic SR space -y. Once removed, reinstall it using the command shown here on the screen. We need to do the same for GFP GAN. Execute pip space uninstall space GFP GAN space -y. Once removed, put it back using the command shown here on the screen. Everything is now ready to launch Deep Live Cam. CPU users can run this command to launch Deep Live Cam for CPU support. NVIDIA users execute this command, and this will launch Deep Live Cam with CUDA support for your NVIDIA GPU. The Deep Live Cam GUI will now open. Navigate to your project folder. Create a folder here called Own. Upload some content in here that we can play with. I've uploaded the photo of the face I want to use, and I've selected the video file as target. Next, enable all the toggles you want to use, and start the face swap. It will ask you to give the output file a name. Let the process run out, and you can follow along for any issues here in your Anaconda prompt. When the process completes, double-click your output file and check if your face swap was successful. If you want to use Deep Live Cam to do a face swap on a webcam, first make sure that you switch all these toggles off and check that Deep Live Cam detects your webcam. Click on Live and Deep Live Cam will launch a live view of the webcam, and it will swap the face out in the live feed. Hopefully you now have a working copy of Deep Live Cam. If so, remember to support the channel, give the video a like, and subscribe for future technology and AI videos.